As you all are aware that I'm Said Muslati from Evergreen Book School, Kanir, and welcome to all of you. The Islam greeting, the Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum salam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today I'm discussing about a very important topic that is digestion in humans. So friends, let's start. Intaking of food in our mouth, digest and utilization by the body is known as nutrition. The food passes through a continuous canal that's known as alimentary canal. It starts from buccal cavity and ends at the anus. This canal can be divided into various compartments like mouth, esophagus, buccal cavity, small intestine, stomach, large intestine, etc. These parts together form an alimentary canal. Various steps, various steps in the process of digestion are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Firstly, when we take food in our mouth and chew it, the process is known as ingestion. And we know that we chew food with the help of our teeth. There are two sets of teeth. One is milk teeth and another is permanent teeth. These two sets of teeth are known as diphthong. And four types of teeth that help us in the chewing of food are incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Incisors are known as cutting teeth because it helps in the cutting of food. And canines are known as tearing teeth because it helps in the tearing of food. And both premolars and molars are known as grinding teeth because it helps in the grinding of food. So when we chew this food, it mixed with the saliva that is produced by salivary gland. And saliva breaks down the starch into simpler substance. The place where respiratory system and digestive system separates is known as pharynx. And the mouth, the surface of mouth that contain pharynx, salivary gland, mouth is known as buccal cavity. Now the food passes into the food pipe that is also called esophagus. On the esophagus, sometimes when our stomach doesn't accept the food, the passage of food back into the mouth is known as regurgitation. Now this food is passed into the stomach. Stomach is a thick walled bag which is just like a J-shape. It contains HCl, hydrochloric acid, mucus, digestive juice. Mucus, it protects the lining of the stomach. HCl, hydrochloric acid, which kills the bacteria that enters along the food. And it also helps us in the proper functioning of the digestive juice. The digestive juice breaks down the protein into simpler form. Liver. Liver is a reddish brown that is the largest gland in the human body, and it's located at the upper part of the abdomen. It secretes a juice that's called bile juice, which is stored at the gallbladder. The bile juice plays an important role because it helps us in the digestion of fats. The second one is pancreas. It's the largest cream which is located at the bellow of the stomach. The pancreatic juice helps us and break down carbohydrates into simple substance that is glucose and fats into fatty acid or cholesterol and proteins into amino acid. Now the food is passed into the small intestine. Small intestine is a coiled shape that is 7.5 meters in length. When the digestion of when this digested food enters in the small intestine into the blood vessels in the walls of intestine, and we can there are also present thousands of finger-like structures that are also called villi. Each singular is called villus. The villi increase the surface area for the absorption. Then each villus has a thin network of small blood vessels that's known as capillaries. The surface of villi absorbs the digested food and the absorbed material enters into the small blood vessels to the different organs of the body. And the process is known as assimilation. The process is known as assimilation. In the cells, the glucose break down with the help of oxygen into carbon dioxide and into carbon dioxide and water, and energy is released. The undigested food now passes in the large intestine, which is 1.5 meters in the length. The function of the large intestine is to absorb some salts and water from the undigested food. Now, this waste material passes into the rectum and through the anus. The waste material is thrown out, and this last process is known as digestion. So friends, the digestion of food, or we can say digestive tract, completes here properly. I hope you will understand this topic perfectly. Thank you. Have a pleasant and joyful day.